everyone, my name is Jacqueline and I'm the Community Science Outreach Coordinator for the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History, and welcome to my kitchen craft table. Today, Create With Us is being taken over by Vaitea's Crafting Shop. A museum volunteer, Vania, and her daughter Vaitea are going to teach us how to make a nature-themed Tic Tac Toe game. So, let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Vaitea. Welcome to my crafting shop. First we need rocks, feathers, paintbrush, watercolors. Rocks, feathers, paintbrush, watercolors. There you go. First we have to have 10 rounded rocks. First, we got to color the wings. Next, we use the feather to do dots. Finally, we draw the face. I won! Thank you for watching! We got to find some 10 rocks. Have what rock? Oh, look!
Wow, that was absolutely adorable. It was so cute that I decided to make one for myself. For the board, I used a piece of cardboard and painter's tape. For the pieces, I decided to draw cute little bees, like this. And for my opponent pieces, I made grasshoppers. If you would like to learn more about grasshoppers, you can tune in this Friday for Brogue Out with Bree, where Bree will teach you about local Monterey County grasshoppers. Thank you so much for joining us on Create With Us, and I can't wait to see what you create next.